death any place?
Well, this one, all right.
Any property previously sell or raised money? Court appointed the committee is granted a mortgage to contribute $75 a month, including, what are you paid on Fridays?
Tuesday.
So commencing August 9. Going to leave the examination on for a probable cause conference on August 2 at 10 a.m. So you will appear back here on August 10 at 2 a.m. as a probable cause conference.
The August 2nd at 10 a.m.?
August 2, yes.
But there is no prelims at this point, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's-
we'll set it. Case 16-4619, people against Daniel Allen Clay.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Russell Smith representing Daniel Clay.
All right, and today's the date for the probable cause conference. We've had a discussion among ourselves, the prosecutor, defense attorney. The request is for...
Judge, I'd ask for an order for a competency evaluation and also an order for evaluation relative to criminal responsibility.
People's position.
Judge, with respect to the evaluation of criminal responsibility, we have no objection. With respect to the competency evaluation, I would note that Michigan Court Rule 6.125C1 states that upon a showing that the defendant may be incompetent to stand trial, the court can order the evaluation. We've had an opportunity to review the reports in this offense and recorded statement as well as the initial court appearance, and we have, at this point, we have no reason or information to suggest that the defendant is not competent to stand trial. However, we do recognize that it's not Mr. Smith's position, and based on what I imagine will be his statement of that showing, that we would have no objection.
And what's the factual basis for the showing without revealing any competency?
Judge, just as I've been practicing law for 37 years, I've had a lot of experience. I did meet with Mr. Clay at the jail recently. He, for lack of a better word, was distraught. At the jail, he was placed in the confinement cell for quite some period of time and has been seen by psychiatric personnel and prescribed a certain medication. I believe that his competency is something that I can't determine without an expert. Just ask the court to sign it.
The showing of competency as set forth in the statute is a very low standard, and it is certainly best to exercise caution in this regard, make sure that the defendant is guaranteed his right, and apparently experienced defense counsel believes that there is a possibility that the defendant may be incompetent to stand trial. So to err on the side of caution, the request is granted. I'll sign an order, however, that contains this language. Include in both orders so that the competency evaluation is done expediently. This is a murder case occurring on October 25, 2014, some 20 months ago, and the defendant is incarcerated without bond allowed. Therefore, the Center for Forensic Psychiatry shall admit the defendant and conduct a competency evaluation and evaluation for criminal responsibility immediately, and a written report as to the incompetence of the defendant to stand trial shall be submitted to the court within 60 days of the date of this order, as provided by statute.
Thank you, Judge. If you could...
I'll sign that today.
Thank you, Judge. If you could share that language.
There's a copy for each of you there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The review date, Judge?
The review date is approximately 9 weeks away, September 29 at 1:30. Let me make something clear, though. I'm setting the review date at just at the expiration of the 60 days that the statute allows the forensic center to conduct the evaluation. However, there's a court rule that requires that once the written evaluation is provided to the court, the prosecutor, and the defense attorney, that competency hearing must take place within 5 days. So if that report is done 30 days from now, then I'm mandated to set a hearing on that within 5 days of the receipt of that report. Correct, gentlemen?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If I may be heard on one other matter.
Yes.
For the record, I'd like to point out that the family members of Trustee Brock, some of whom are present in court today, certainly appreciate the efforts of local, state, and national media throughout the course of the effort to locate Chelsea. However, now that the case has come before this honorable court, they would request that their privacy be respected to the fullest extent possible, particularly by the media, and they would certainly prefer that the media not contact the family throughout the course of this criminal case.
Well, the media's heard that, and they can govern themselves accordingly. I understand the reason for the request. I don't have any authority to restrict any media access to anyone outside of this courtroom. I would hope that they conduct themselves professionally, and I have no reason to believe that they wouldn't. I will take whatever steps are necessary to make sure that anything that happens inside of the courtroom is conducted in a civil and pleasant manner, so to speak. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. All rise, please. This court is in recess.